Trying to be more offensive and serve volley, return volley, all these things, because at some point making balls just isn't enough. So it's been good.
Today, as one could tell, like he was a better player amongst both of us. Like he could do much more with the ball today. So taking out the positives of the match and just analyzing it with my dad and with my coach. So let's keep the head up for the next week as well. I'm playing for the third week as well. I know he was a tough opponent because I played him last week as well, and I don't think there's much of a difference between the tennis part, but the mental part affected me a lot because I was thrashed last week, so that did affect me a lot. Yeah, so I had to be mentally tougher this time, but did not work as well.
Yeah, I play good. Like I said, the conditions are very tough. It's very hot for a Swedish guy, but I managed very good, and yeah, I'm happy with my performance.
Yeah, I started off a little slow, but once I was able to break back and get things going, start playing a little bit more freely and loose. Yeah, in the second, towards the end, he was kind of, up until most of the second set, he was kind of a little slow and tired. And I was able to use that to get the lead, but in the end, he was able to get a couple of points and stay in the match, but I think I did a good job closing it out.
Kom igen,